about. Not much difference from last Friday. We're up about $30 billion or so for a total of $1,560,421,000,000 with 76 counterparties. We have one more counterparty than Friday, but we have 30 more billion demand, so we have more demand per counterparty. And yeah, these numbers are still insane. So looking back at our recent operations, we started way back on the 28th of December, right about where we are now, 1580 to 1637 to 1642 to 1696 to 1904, which is the all-time high. Then we trended down to about 1492, and then we've been trending back up ever since. So we're sitting at 1560.421, 1,560,000,000 or 560,421,000,000. Due tomorrow, 0.05 is still the interest rate. So let's see what happens. See if we trend up the rest of the week. Have a good one.